Science Standard 8. Chapter number 8, Role of Parliament in a Democratic Country. Friends, we have seen that in democracy, people give the power to government to take decisions and to implement the law. In democracy, people elect the government of their choice through election. In democracy, the government has to make clarification and provide the base for the steps and decisions taken. The most important characteristic of the democracy is sovereignty of the people. The most important characteristic of democracy means the supreme power. The power to rule is not in the hand of particular person or not in a group of people, but every citizen is the member in decision making process. People themselves are the creators of their destiny. Democracy in Gujarati is known as Lok Shahi. The welfare of more and more people is the main aim of democracy. India has adopted parliamentary democracy. The parliament is the supreme institution in India. The president, vice president, Lok Sabha, and Rajya Sabha are included in parliament. The Lok Sabha is known as the lower house and the Rajya Sabha is known as the upper house. Parliament represents the people, so it has complete and important powers. Parliament has important and complete powers. The Parliament makes new laws and does amendments in old laws. It asks the questions to the government, gets information about its work, keeps control on the government, and provides guidance. Lok Sabha elections are held every 5 years. From each constituency, one member is elected by majority for the Lok Sabha. The elected candidate is known as the Member of Parliament, which is known as MP in short. Member of Parliament means MP is called Sansad. After the general elections, the leader of that party or a coalition of parties which has a clear majority in the parliament is appointed as the prime minister by the president. The prime minister does the duties of the leader of the ruling party in Lok Sabha. So here prime minister is the main head of ruling party. He is appointed by the president by the majority of the seats won by the particular party. The Prime Minister forms the Council of Ministers from the members of the party by the invitation of the President. He hands over one or more departments to each minister. The ministers, along with Prime Minister, together take administrative decisions. The elected members of Legislative Assembly of each state elect the member of Rajya Sabha, means MLAs from Rajya Sabha. There are in all 250 members in the Rajya Sabha. Out of them, 238 members are elected and the remaining 12 members are appointed by the president. 238 seats are elected by the people. 12 are appointed by the president in this house. The Rajya Sabha is a permanent house. It is never dissolved fully. One third of the members retire at the end of every second year, and the same number of members are re elected in their place. So the tenure is of 6 years, but altogether all are not dissolved. Every second year, one third are retire and same are elected. So it's a permanent. The Vice President of India acts as the chairman of Rajya Sabha. When the parliament session is going on, at the first stage, the time for questioning is decided. The members of parliament ask questions to the ministers of the government. Through these questions, the government gets the chance to know the defects of the administration and the problems and difficulties of the people. It is an important responsibility of the members of parliament to question the government about the administrative work. In democracy, the opposition party plays a creative role by finding drawbacks of the programs and policies of the government. Presidency is the most important and integral part of parliament. A bill that is passed by both the houses becomes a law only after the signature of the president. President has the power to decide about the meetings of parliament and announce the completion of session. So this is the role, most important role of parliament in our democratic country. Find out the names of ministers of different department, president, vice president, and some other important information related to our administrative government system.